How to add signature to iPhone notes. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Notes application on your phone. Once you're here, you can view all your Notes folders. From here, go to any folder. Then, open the note where you want to add a signature. On this page, tap on the Markup icon at the bottom. Once you tap the Markup icon, a toolbar with various tools will appear. These tools include pen, pencil, highlighter, eraser, ruler, and color options. Go to the bottom right corner and tap on the plus button. From here, you can add shapes, signatures, and other elements. Tap on Add Signature. Then, add in your signature over here and tap on Add or Remove Signature. Select the area you want to add it to and then tap on the pen icon. Adjust the font size and color for the signature as you like. Once you're done, tap on the tick icon at the top. Following these steps, you can easily add signature to iPhone notes.